This is the Ryobi BD513, a 5-speed tabletop drill press. It's the baby brother of the BD516. This 250 watt drill press has a chuck capacity ranging from 1.5mm to 13mm, and it can run from speeds of 625 RPM right up to 2500 RPM by simply adjusting the pulley selection. This makes it suitable for wood and steel drilling with a spindle travel up to 50mm. There are 3 large feed handles for increased leverage and maximum control. The adjustable depth stop accurately marks the drilling point for quick, easy repeat drilling. The table raises up and down easily, and it can tilt left and right for angled drilling. There is an angle gauge to position this accurately. As the drill press only weighs 19 kilos, it can be moved around easily if needed and taken to site. Another great feature is the removable lockout switch on the front to prevent accidental use. If you found this clip interesting, like it and share it. You can also subscribe to our Builders YouTube channel to stay up to date with all the latest product reviews as well as DIY projects.